Hey everyone, how are you? This is Ron from Car System Installation. Nice to see you again. Today I want to show you two special cars, number 1 and number 2. And when I mean number 1 and number 2, fortunately I don't mean number 1 and number 2 in the best vehicles in the market, but I'll show you exactly what I mean. Take a look. Number 1, Honda CR-V. Number 1, stolen in Ontario. Number 2, Toyota Highlander. Number 2, stolen in Ontario. Those two are the most popular vehicles in the market today for thieves. These cars go home, these cars disappears in a matter of seconds. They do not stay at home for too long. This vehicle actually was already had a theft. It came back to us after recovery from the dealerships. They fixed a few things and the customer did not want to even take the car home. She called us and said, I'm bringing the vehicle over. When can you take the car? If you can't do it today, I'll leave it for a few days. So we got the vehicle to help and have this working. Now, one of the things you see on this car, they go in the front fender, they remove it, they make a copy of your key, and then the car is gone. The IGLA in this vehicle actually have an additional feature. It blocks key programming, which means unless they boost your key signal, unless somebody stole your key directly, they won't be able to make a key for this car. They can't even create a copy of the key. But let's pretend that they stole the key and they were able to get the signal somehow, got into the vehicle. Now this is a hybrid vehicle, so we are preventing the car from starting. Let me show you how it is. I'm gonna press the brake. As you can see me here, I'm pressing the brake. So I'm gonna press the brake and I'm gonna press the push button. And as you can see, being a hybrid vehicle, we're not getting the ready mode. So a hybrid vehicle expected to have the ready mode in here. Without the ready mode, you cannot drive. Now I'm gonna enter my code. It's a combination of buttons using the factory controls. The buttons will be changed by the customer and can be changed numerous times with no limitations. There is no problem of changing the code. Customer doesn't need to be obligated to a single one. So I'm gonna enter my code quickly. I'm gonna get my confirmation. I heard my sound, I got the signal. Now I'm gonna press the brake and push button again. As you can see, the car is in ready mode. I can drive this vehicle. Now a lot of people ask me, okay, so if the car doesn't start, what about my remote starter? Am I losing that feature? Let me go ahead and show you the remote starter. So the remote starter works. Every vehicle is different, but in this case, the remote starter so with Toyota vehicles, as you can see, the car will start. We have the ready mode showing. Even without the code, the ready mode showing. But as soon as I open the door, the car shut down and I have to enter the vehicle and start the vehicle again, which obviously without having the code I will not be able to do so, as you can see. The anti-theft system, the IGLA, is the best product available in the market for any vehicle protection. If you have a vehicle that you want to keep at home, find us at Car System Installation or find us on iglacanada.ca. Find someone near you. Get the IGLA PIN code, PIN to drive, anti-theft in your car. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.